Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Compass auxiliary battery. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You'll need a 10mm socket, a 13mm socket, an extension, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is turned off and parked securely. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire procedure to prevent any injuries. Now, let's begin by disconnecting the main battery. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative terminal from the main battery. This is a crucial safety step. Next, locate the auxiliary battery, which is usually positioned directly in front of the main battery. You may need to remove a small cover or bracket to gain full access to it. With the auxiliary battery exposed, it's time to remove it. First, disconnect the negative terminal, then the positive terminal, both typically requiring a 10mm wrench. Next, locate and remove the 13mm nut that secures the battery's hold-down bracket. Once the bracket is loose, carefully lift the old auxiliary battery straight out of its compartment. It might be a snug fit, so take your time. Now for the installation. Gently place your new auxiliary battery into the tray, making sure it's oriented correctly. Reinstall the hold-down bracket and tighten the 13mm nut to secure the battery firmly in place. Next, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, using your 10mm wrench. Finally, reconnect the main battery's negative terminal. Double-check all connections, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.